How to manage payment methods on booking.com. Managing payment method on booking.com. What you need is first thing first, make sure that you already have a booking.com account. And to begin with, open up your booking.com app on your device. After which, what you want to do is simply want to go ahead and tap the My account section. Next, what you have to do is you have these payment method, you tap that out. After which, if you want to add a payment method, you just want to tap on add card. Now you have to enter the card holder's name, the card number, expiry date, and the month. Once you're done entering the following information, all you need is tap save card at the bottom of the page, and that is how you're supposed to manage payment method in booking.com. So, with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And for some reason, if you're having a difficulty adding in your payment method, it could be an issue with your card, or maybe try contacting the bank itself and let them know about it as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.